Welcome to Kids Learning by Doing platform. Hope you all are doing well, my little kiddos. In today's video, we are going to learn how will you prepare this sand clock, or we can say it as hourglass, or sand timer, or sand glass, or egg timer. In any name you can call it. We will learn today how will you prepare this one at our home. This is a device which is used to measure the passage of time, and origin of this hourglass is unclear. Hourglasses were an early dependable and accurate measure of time. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, take the screenshot of these things which are needed. Now, take two Mazaa bottles. Yes, so that we can give it accurate shape. Now cut it from the given point that is shown in this video. To make the bottom part plain, cut out extra part. Now apply feviquick on the cap of the bottle and fix another bottle in upside down position. Here our frame is ready. Now take a cardboard. Take the measurement of the bottom parts of the bottles. Now cut those circular pieces. Paste any color paper on both of the sides. Now check out the cut pieces again. Fix the bottle on the cardboard. To fix it, you should use Feviquick. Apply the glue on the rim of the bottle and paste it. Now, if there is any extra cut part, then trim it out. Now take M-seal, which will be hardened after getting dry. Mix up them together. There is maybe the chances of leakage of sand. So put the M-seal dough on the bottom joints. Do the same for both of the bottles. Keep them to dry. To make a hole in the caps, turn on the flames. Heat the needle and make a hole exactly in the center of the caps. Do it carefully in the presence of your adults. Make the hole so that sand can pass through it easily. Exactly like this. Let the seal to dry properly. Cover the back side with yellow paper. Cut the paper to cover the M-seal part too. Apply the glue on the back and paste the paper. Now cut the border and paste them on M-seal. Do the same for the second one. Now take fine sands and mix dry glitters in it. Mix it well. Take a funnel that I have forgotten to say. Put it in the bottle. Pour the fine sand into it. Now fix the caps tightly. Now wrap the caps with cellotape so that they will not get separated. Wrap any paper in the middle part to hide caps, or you can decorate this bottle as your wish. Your sand clock is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope this video will be useful to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. Stay tuned for the next part. Till then, bye bye.